Real quick, I forgot to, of course, write this down. So, this is a recipe. I guess I can pause this later, or if somebody else watches this. It's not the best, but it's like a kind of hybrid deep dish, Detroit style pizza, not a Chicago style, because it's the deep. Ooh, man, look at the steam come out. Steam that up. But yeah, I use glass instead. I thought I had a 9x9. I thought I had a 13x9. I don't have any here. I just have those glass ones. I kind of switched mostly over to glass, and the old, guy. Yeah, I guess I could have two down there that I actually could cook with, but I don't like using these anymore. So, but anyways, that's the cheese version. But I think I'm about to pull this out. I think it's almost ready to go. And I left a little bit of dough. And I got some extra sauce for, there's my leeks. I sprouted. Actually, I got leeks. Oh no, it died. My leek was surviving. It died. Oh, parsley and hell was doing all right. But I'm rambling, so I just wanted to document that. I'm going to pull those out, I think now, and I was thinking I'd put them back in after I pull the parchment paper off, and then let them kind of crisp up on the bottom. I'm trying to see how they're looking through the parchment paper. It looks like it's boiling down under there. Hope that bread's okay. But these are basically cooked at 500. I had the in maybe for 12 minutes. So I guess the highest heat, get them in, kind of not the highest. Well, you could do a higher rack. I don't know. I didn't do the highest rack. And yeah, kind of wait till they're pretty close, pull them out, and then to finish the bottom off, take that parchment paper out and put them right on the rack. I prefer, actually, I like a softer crust, but I'll still brown them, and then I can put bone broth or something down when I'm going to eat them, so it kind of softens up. Anyways, yeah, figured I'd share that. Be safe, stay healthy, and hey, try something new if you can, but make sure you're careful about that. Okay, bye now.